Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious white sauce noodles with cheese. This timeless recipe is a true comfort food, perfect for a cozy evening or a family gathering. We will walk through each step, from preparing the velvety white sauce base to infusing it with rich, melted cheese, and finally combining it with perfectly cooked noodles. Get ready to create a truly satisfying and flavorful dish that everyone will adore. Our journey begins with crafting the perfect white sauce, also known as bechamel. First, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan. Once melted, whisk in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, creating a smooth paste called a roux. Cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly until it's lightly golden. Then, slowly pour in 2 cups of warm whole milk, whisking continuously to ensure a lump-free, velvety sauce. Now for the star ingredient, cheese. Remove your thickened white sauce from the heat. Gradually stir in 2 cups of freshly shredded sharp cheddar cheese, allowing it to melt completely into the warm sauce, creating a luscious, creamy texture. Season with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to enhance the flavors. Finally, add 1 pound of perfectly cooked macaroni noodles, tossing gently until every noodle is beautifully coated. Your incredible white sauce noodles with cheese are now ready to be enjoyed. For the best experience, serve this comforting dish immediately while it's warm and creamy. If the sauce seems a bit too thick, you can always add a splash of reserved pasta cooking water to achieve your desired consistency. Feel free to garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a little extra cheese. Savor every delightful bite of this homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.